Welcome to Smart Decor Coohom tutorial. Today we will learn about ambient light effects on rendering. To begin rendering, go to Images, Videos. You will have to choose an ambient light option to proceed with rendering. You can find it on your left side. There are two categories, realistic and balance. You can click on the picture information to see the details. To select more option under realistic category, click the three dots. Now, let's explore balance. You can move your favorite templates accordingly so it is easily accessible for future use. Remember, other than the ambient light, your design color scheme will also affect your rendering outcome.